Salam alaikum. Hello guys, welcome to BasenGreen Channel. Today I'd like to show you how to connect to BasenGreen 15 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery with BasenGreen 6 kW hybrid inverter and set up the communication. This is BasenGreen BROW 15 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery. This is BasenGreen 6 kW hybrid inverter. If you're planning to use BasenGreen 15 kWh battery and BasenGreen 6 kW hybrid inverter for your solar energy storage system, just watch the video and follow the steps. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure the battery and inverter are power off, and wearing the protective glove and make sure all the tools are insulated. As you can see, there is a cable set. You can always find it in our standard packing list. The first step, we're gonna remove the cover of the inverter. And there is a communication cable set from the inverter part. We're gonna pull it out. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive DC input of the inverter. And connect the negative terminal of the battery to the negative DC input of the inverter. Now we're gonna plug the cable set back and put the cover back. Okay. Now the power cable is connected. For the communication, you find a cable set and a RJ45 connector in our standard packing list as well. On one side, we already built up the connector. Is to connect to the battery's RS485 port. On the other side, you can see there are 4 lists with label. We're gonna create the connector according to the pin definition. For the BasenGreen inverter, the pin definition is RS485B to the pin 3, RS485A to the pin 5. We already created a connector according to the pin definition. So this side, we're gonna connect to the RS485 port from the inverter and make sure all the dip switch are on the off side. And this side we're gonna connect to the BMS port from the inverter. Now everything is connected, we're gonna turn on the system. The first step is turn on the battery and switch the protocol. We're gonna choose the Voltronic protocol on the RS485. And turn on the circuit breaker. Final step, we can turn on the inverter. On the menu page, we're gonna go to the page 5 and make sure the protocol here, the lithium model here is LIB, and then everything is fine now. You can see there is a Li-ion symbol and it showed up the SOC here. So the installation is completed. So this is the end of the video. If you think the video is helpful, like and subs appreciated. If you're still interested in the BasenGreen battery with another brand of the inverter, just comment below and let me know. BasenGreen, your reliable power. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.